Here we are in the office of Dr. Edson X. Albuquerque, chairman of the Department of Pharmacology at the University of Maryland School of Medicine. Dr. Albuquerque, it's a awfully nice day today, wouldn't you say?
Well, it's a good day for pharmacology if the pharmacology is good. But if the pharmacology no good, then we got to make better.
And how do you plan on making pharmacology better?
Well, you see, for 40 years, every course at Maryland Medical School have a practical. Pharmacology no have practical. So, this year, we're going to have practical examination in pharmacology.
And why is that?
Well, you see, whenever you give a drug to a patient, there is some risk involved. So we feel it's better now for the student to risk his life now than to risk the patient life later on. Do you see?
Yes, I understand.
Oh, thank you. Мальчики може гостоза. Hey, pretty girl, no?
Well, this is...
So can you tell me how many action potential there are in one heart?
I don't really...
Well, maybe if you use this stuff, the oil get into your brain and make you think faster, no? That's how I think so quick. Because the oil go from my hair down into my brain, and it make my mind work very fast, you see. And besides that, the girls like the greasy hair very much. Better lubrication, you understand?
This is
yes.
This is David Matcher.
No, wait a minute. Now you
for 60
have you
minutes.
Tell me